PixieBrix is a browser extension that helps you customize and enhance your web browsing experience by allowing you to build and add mini apps or bricks to website. These bricks are like small building blocks that you can use to modify how a web page looks or functions. It's like giving your browser superpower to tailor websites to your liking without needing the coding skills. So let's get started with PixieBrix. So head over to pixiebrix.com and then in the right hand side corner you can see start for free. Just click this. Once you click this, you've got two options: connect directly with Google account or Microsoft account, or you can use any other email address which you wish to use. So here I'm going to click connect with Google. I have already installed the extension and I already have the account, so that's why for you it will be showing your Google account here. You can choose that like this, and then it will take you to this page where you have to install the extension, Google Chrome extension. Since I have already installed, it is showing me directly these options. And once you click on the install browser extension, you'll get your extension like this over here. So this is how you will see the PixieBrix extension. You can play around with the settings. You can activate or deactivate various different mods. You can visit public marketplace and identify the pre-built templates. There are multiple options. We'll see them later in the video. Now we will see PixieBrix in action. Let me navigate to my website rpafeed.com, and over here let's say we want to add one button or something, a text, clickable text. Let me go to some section where it says button. So here we have read more button. In adjacent to this I want to have one more button. On this browser you have to click on F12 and open developer tools. So as soon as I click F12, the developer tools opened up. Now for ease of use, what you can do is you can just click here from on the three dots and choose this option, dock to bottom. So it is easy to use. Now click on PixieBrix tab. This tab will be present once you install the extension of PixieBrix. And now I want to add one more button which resembles this with different functionality. So I'll click here, add button. Now we want to add button, that's why I'm using this option. If you want to use any other options like context menu, quick bar action, or any other of these, you can choose them. Let me click on button, and now it gives you option to select or highlight a place where you want to insert a button. So let me select this. You have got the extension of this button, right? So what I will do is I'll remove this, and instead of that I'll say click me. Now on click of this button, what should happen? You can change the other configuration also, like if you want to have a different icon, you can select an icon from here. Appearance wise, anything else you want to do, you can change it. So let me define the flow. I need to add a brick. For adding a brick, on click of this button, what should happen? Okay, for that I can add a brick, and I can say it should open a new tab. So construct a URL or open in a new tab. Open URL in a new tab. So I'll add this, and it will say which URL to open on this click. So let's say on this click I want to open the same URL of this blog. Let's say what are the 14 technologies. So let me copy this. As soon as I copy this, I'll click over here. So this is the URL which I want to open. Click on save. Once you have clicked on save, and now if you go to this button, let me refresh it. Let me close this. Let me refresh it. Once I refresh this, I can find this button. When I click this button, it opens the URL which we have specified. So now you have the understanding of the flow, how to create a basic flow in PixieBrix. Let me click this option to open extension console. Once I open the extension console, you can see here what are the active mods that I have in associated with my account, the all modes, personal level modes, and public market spaces. The mods available in public marketplace. So AI Copilot, writing assistant, knowledge base assist, these are all available and you can activate them. If you do not want, you can simply click here and deactivate them. That's all for this video. See you in the next. Thank you.